Hello everyone, I'm Srivamsi from Jayaarka Studios. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and verify license key for Powerline add-on. We recently made it very affordable using subscription method via Gumroad. So this is the add-on. If you are individual, choose the first tier. For 2 to 20 team members, choose company. If you are more than 20 users, choose corporate. And once you purchase, you can access this page where you can download Powerline 2.79, which is latest, and product key. I already downloaded the Powerline add-on. Let me just show you how we can verify the license. Open preferences. Install from disk. Choose your download directory. Click install from disk. Watch out. Yeah, this is installed, but it will still not work because we need to enter license key. Go back to Gumroad page, copy the license key, open preferences window. In the licenses tab, paste the copied license key and click save. Don't forget to click save. Okay, now that we verified, it will open. Okay, please check it out. Please try the Powerline. It's very helpful. I will brief out what the Powerline is supposed to do in another video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.